Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. I do hope everyone is having a wonderful day. For today's project, we'll be making 2 candle holders. I picked up two vases or candle holders from Dollar Tree. I have the 9-inch candle holder, and I also have the 7-inch candle holder. I have some confetti. It's called tube confetti, and I picked this up from Dollar Tree. I have some bling wrap that came from the Dollar Tree, and the bling wrap and the confetti is in the same colors, even though I couldn't find the green. I'll be using today my mirror tiles, and I've cut them into strips. A measuring tape, you'll need that for today's project. And you can also use a ruler. I have my craft clear glue, a sponge, my hot glue gun if necessary. You want to have it on hand just in case. And the main pieces that we'll be using are these 2 candle holders that I picked up from the Goodwill. And I want to say they were like $1.49 a piece, and then I got 10% off. And I chose them because I had this confetti glitter and the colors are absolutely perfect. So let's not waste any time. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is take the little white tab off the bottom of the vase. And you want to use your alcohol wipe to make sure that you're cleaning it and not leaving any of the paper behind. And you want to also make sure the top of your candle is clean as well. Sometimes they have wax around it, so you want to make sure that you clean them thoroughly as well. Next, we're going to take our Gorilla Clear grip, and we're going to glue the candle holders to the bottom of the vase. I'm adding a couple beads of hot glue for fast adhesion. Once we've attached the 2 pieces together, we should set it aside to dry, but I'm adding a little hot glue so that we can continue working on the project. Oh wow, looky, I forgot to take the $1.49 tag off. So I'm going to take that off right now. Now we're ready to flip our candle holders right side up. And I want to take my mosaic mirror tile and go around the bottom of both of the candle holders. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to also add the mirror tiles around the top. And this is what it looks like on the top and the bottom. And we're ready to do the second one. Now I'm done adding my mirror tile to both my glasses. I'm going to take my measuring tape and figure out the distance between the 2 rows of mirror tile. And then I'm going to divide that equally in 3 parts. I decided to go 2 1/4 inches up, and I'm going to add another row of mirror tile that 2 1/4 inches up. You want to continue to check as you add your mirror tile to make sure that you're staying that equal distance apart. Now, you can choose to go on the inside and use a marker to mark it off, but I didn't have one on hand, so I just kept checking with my measuring tape. And from that row of mirror tile, I'm going to go up another 2 1/4 inch and add another row of the mirror tile. All my mirror tiles have been added to both my candles. Looks very pretty. And now I'm ready to use my craft glue, clear glue, and I'm going to add it around between the mirror tiles. I'm going to use my sponge applicator to spread my glue out, making sure that I don't get any glue on my mirror tiles. Oops, that's what happened when you don't give your glue a chance to dry. But that's okay, we'll just continue, and when I'm done adding my glue, in the end I'll go back and glue my vase to my candle holder. Now I'm going to take my green confetti and add it to the glue. When adding the confetti to your vase, you want to take the time to press the confetti into the vase. Once you're done doing the first vase, you want to continue that same process on the second vase. Now we want to take a moment to make sure our confetti is pressed down into our glue before we go to adding the next color of confetti. But because the hour is getting late, I want to just glue my vase back to my candle holder, and we'll continue in the morning with the blue. Good morning, I'm back, and as you can see, I glued my vase back to my candle holder. I also glued the blue and the pink confetti on one of my candle holders, and it turned out really, really pretty. So since I did this one off camera, I'm going to do this one on camera. So I'm just going to continue on gluing on my confetti. So once again, I'm adding my clear glue. I'm going to use my sponge to spread it out, ensuring that I don't get any glue on the mosaic mirror tiles. And then I'm going to sprinkle on my blue confetti, pressing down to ensure that I do have a contact between the confetti and the glue. All my confetti has been added to both my candle holders, and it looks really pretty. This is the shorter one, absolutely gorgeous. And this is my taller vase. Now at the top of my taller one, I have about an inch of space. So I wanted to use my color bling. So I've already cut the blue and the pink to fill that space. They are 1/2 inch, so it will be a 1/2 inch. A row of the blue is actually 2 rows that are cut and 2 rows of the pink. And I'm adding it now. Starting with the blue, I'm going blue to pink. Again, I couldn't find anything in the green, so we're doing the blue and the pink. I've added my bling wrap around the top of my candle holder. Everything is looking really, really pretty. So to stop my confetti from falling out, I'm going to seal it with my Mod Podge. I'm going to add a thick layer of Mod Podge to my confetti. I'm going to let it dry. And while that is happening, I'm going to go away. And when I come back, we'll be ready for the reveal. Once again, off camera, I decided to add a row of bling around the bottom of my candles. I added pink, then blue, then pink, then blue again. And then I found or remembered that I had some iridescent jewels, and I added them to the bottom to bring those colors into the green. And this is what my finished product looked like. I think they're absolutely beautiful. This will be perfect for the upcoming Easter holidays. For me, I created these candles for a giveaway. I'm going to have a baby shower at my home. My son is expecting his first child, and these will be the door prize for the baby shower. Absolutely gorgeous. So whoever will receive these, I'm sure will be quite happy. So if you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed bringing it to you, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Also, push the notification bell so you can be notified of all my upcoming videos. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I want to thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.